Hey guys, welcome to Ham Radio with K0PIR and my YouTube channel. Subscribers sent me a neat little tip for people using VarAC and wanting to upload to Logbook of the World to get the confirmations there. LOTW doesn't support the dynamic mode or VarHF, so what we've got to do is link it to the data mode. And to do that in TQSL, you bring up the program, go to File, and Display or Modify Preferences. And when you do that, it'll bring up the Preferences window. Go over to ADIF modes. You can see I already have mine in there. I'm going to delete it, and I'll show you how to include it. It's a little tricky. So yours will look like that. Let's click on Add, and then type in Dynamic, all uppercase, and select Data. And click OK. From there, I'll just click OK. Now when I upload, I should get some confirmations for the contacts I've made. What I've been doing is I upload from Ham Radio Deluxe. That's the logbook I'm using right now. But if you just export your log, export it out to an ADIF file, you can do it right from TQSL. You can upload from here. Just click on File, Sign, and upload a ADIF or Cabrillo file. So that's it. I think that's a real good tip, and I forget the subscriber's name. I'll try to find it and post it below. But thanks for that tip. Okay, so that about does it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Post your comments below. 73 and good DX.